Hi, this is Terry Edwards here from Make More Placements. We're the guys that recruiters search business owners come to when they want to generate more leads, make more placements than they normally. Today I want to talk to you about self-sabotage. Explained in its very simplest terms, it's self-sabotage behaviour when it acts in such a way that it prevents you from reaching the goals that you say you desire. In most cases, when we self-sabotage, we don't even realise what we're doing. And most people do it in most walks of life. It's kind of like a silent killer that creates resistance to positive changes in your business. Here's some signs of self-sabotage. Destructive self-talk. This is the internal conversation, monologue that you have with yourself that's taking place in your mind all the time. You know, when you're talking to yourself, yeah, as you're talking to yourself right now, yeah, precisely. And you're saying things like, I'm not good enough. I can't do this. I'm wrong. Here's a classic one. Who am I to be posting on, let's say, social media platforms about my business? I can't do this. Who am I to deserve this? Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm a failure. Another classic one is not being able to ask for the fees that you actually deserve. So these are all signs of self-sabotage. Procrastination is another one. You say you're going to do something, you don't do it, then you put it off until you do it the next day and then the next day. But what you're really doing is making excuses for tackling what needs to be done. Being a drama queen. Whenever you see people behaving such as a drama queen and worrying about, quite frankly, irrelevant little details which prevent them from moving forward, it's a sign of self-sabotage. A chronic feeling of self-doubt when you have all the knowledge and skills and experience, but you're kind of trying to second guess your own decisions. You don't believe you have the powers. The classic one is perfectionism, setting high standards for you and others. Perfectionism is linked to the fear of failure. Constantly improving every work leads to procrastination, which results in decreased productivity. I'll get this out when it's absolutely perfect. Look, here's what we know. Success or failure within your recruitment to search business has more to do with the decisions than it does with actual ability. Average recruiters who repeatedly make the right decisions will substantially outperform excellent recruiters who make the wrong ones. And don't even compare yourself to other recruiters. Compare your current results to your potential results. And that all comes down to decisions. It's kind of common sense. And often improving your results doesn't require new strategies, tactics, or even technology. It just comes down to making the right decisions. Decisions you know you should be making. For example, you probably know that mentally you would function better if you drank more water, got more sleep, exercised regularly, and ate healthier. But then we make decisions that directly contradict that. We may have a few late nights. We may eat unhealthy and eat junk food. We may drink excessive amount of alcohol. They're signs of self-sabotage, but you probably know that your business will perform better, example, if you were to improve your business development. If you did it more often, or if you studied how it could be done, that would be easier for you. So you know there are areas of your business that you need to improve or fix. But what you will do is actually put off seeking help to do just that. We all do it, by the way. The danger is not being able to recognize this behavior in yourself, because if you can't recognize it, you can't fix it. But knowing and understanding that you do this makes it easier to correct when you start sabotaging your own success. I'm curious, what are you doing in your business right now that's getting in the way and sabotaging your business success? You will be doing something, because we all do. Have a think about it. Until next time, take care, take action, and be relentless.